You've caught me out having a look at what was going on before. The irony of this situation is painful to admit. You were meant to have this a few days ago, and I had cooked the video, made the video. It's all the cooking, the processing that takes forever. And then loaded it up to YouTube, put in all my little paperwork things. And my husband was about to put a link on, and he said, "Sarah, you've spelt it wrong." He wasn't too impressed, but he didn't, worse than that, he didn't say, if he just said, "You stupid cow," that would have been fine. But it wasn't. He had that sort of like pitying, which was, I think, to be honest, fair enough. Right, acquire. A C Q U I R E. And you know what? I had checked it. I'd looked it up. I'd put it in the word processor, done the spell check, and still got it wrong. Because I'm an idiot. Don't be like me. Get good at these things. A C Q U I R E. I'm pointing with a point, but you can't see that on there, can you? If you need some help, you know this technique by now, don't you? Go C Q U I R E. Then you go A Q U I R E, and then you go A C U I R E. You know the technique. Keep going. Show off that you can do this. Make sure that if you're one of the people writing the essays for the exam, that you can use this word and spell it. Acquire means to get something. It's about time we acquired a new cat. Ooh, it's I don't like that one, but you know how to use it. I know you know how to use it. Bye bye.